maybe he wants to do climbing upstairs.
How did it start, Hussain?
Sir, I am in Hussein's house right now. Or according to as you wanted this clipping to be done, I am taking Hussein's interview. Hussein has just come out with a little physio work being done on him, and he would like to say something, and then I would like to add of how mobile he is and what are the moments. Yes, Hussein, please.
How to what
Since when is your
How did it happen?
How did it happen?
3-4 years.
3 to 4 years.
Yeah.
Hussein was unwell.
Yeah, it all started with the little bit of breathlessness.
Yeah,
Little
time.
bit of breathlessness started, swellings and weakness in the limbs probably.
Okay.
It all started.
Okay.
And in 5-6 he's gone through a lot of stress and emotional stress also since a year and a half. Yeah,
Okay.
because
Okay.
his father passed away, his mother passed away.
Huh.
And 5-6 months he started like swellings in the legs, and it's all increased in the limbs, knees, and it all came up, the swellings,
Okay. Then how much time was he hospitalized?
for 32 days.
1 month.
Probably 1 month.
Yeah.
42 days you mean? 32 days, sir.
Yeah.
Hussein was hospitalized with Jahangir Hospital.
Yeah.
And then with it he was discharged, saying that there was no remedy, and which started with your medicine.
Yeah.
And how long has been the duration of your Dr. Nikam's medicine with you?
1.5 months.
1.5 month probably.
1 month.
Yeah.
10th we started, 10th
Yeah.
of December.
10th of December.
Yeah,
And
we
today is 25th of January.
1.5 months.
1.5 month. In 1.5 month, the progress which was there,
Yeah.
was Hussein being able to walk at that time?
Not in the hospital.
Huh.
When I came home,
Huh.
started.
Yeah.
You started
slowly,
walking.
Slowly he started.
And your medicine was already started from the hospital
Yeah,
itself.
from the hospital.
From the hospital itself,
Yeah.
your medicine
He
was
had
started.
yeah.
Huh? And now, sir, we would like to see Hussein walking. I would like Hussein to walk. He is mobile now. He's just got up from that place and he is walking. He is walking in his room there. He is standing on his own. He can climb also. Previously, all this was not possible. He was all the time in bed itself. Now, by the grace of God and your medicines, sir, he has been able to move. If you can climb, yes, I'll shoot that. Are there staircases here? Great. Sir, these are the staircases which Hussein can climb, catching with complete ease and comfort. This is it. He can climb and he can come down too. Yeah. This is the whole steps just within 1.5 months that it is working. Yes. Now Hussein is getting down also. There is no problem. Previously the limbs were not working and he was completely on bed rest. Here we are shooting and coming to the same place where we were. Here we are. He has come all the way walking. There is a little congestion because of the tracheostomy. In the daytime it is being removed. And I was told by his wife Sakina that this is in the night, in the night you put it back.
Yeah.
In the night you put it.
He just requires when he's sleeping or lying down.
Okay.
When he's sitting, he doesn't require.
Okay. While
Because
sitting,
he's very comfortable to breathe.
while sitting it's not required.
No, not required at all.
Okay.
Only
And in
when
the daytime your maximum time sitting.
Yeah, sitting. And he's
Okay,
lying down
great.
also, but not flat. Like,
That's it. Anything else you want to say for this? Yeah. Sir, this is it. May God bless Hussein to recover as fast as possible, and with your good wishes. It's in your care now. May God bless us all. Thank you, sir.